Yo, what is good, YouTube family? And we are back with another one. And so VVS, man, we haven't checked them out since the last joint, and they blew me away. I thought they were phenomenal. So we're going to check out this one. What's the name? T. So let's get to it, man. It looks very Kill Bill-ish like and very action heavy. So it looks dope. So let's get to it, man. If you're new here, you just found my pretty face for the first time. How you doing? My name is Ace. We do reactions to all types of music, all types of genres, all types of everything. So if you love music, hip hop, R&B, country, K-pop, pop, PDM, rock, whatever it is, you just love music like I do, definitely hit that subscribe button, notification bell, smash that like button, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X, and let me know what you want to see next. All right. Yeah, if y'all love short form content, definitely follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post all these videos in short form over there, so definitely check that out. And also, I'm trying to hit 10K over there, so if y'all want to support me there, here on Patreon, and 100K over here by the end of the year. So definitely support. All right, let's get to it. See what this one's all about. This group is phenomenal, man. Y'all put me on, and it took me a while to get to it, but we here. And they are fire after just one track. That's fire. I'm the T. That's fire. That's dope. And the video is Yeah, there are some groups that just take their visuals to the next level, bro. Like, so far, the first joint was phenomenal, and now this, bro. Fire. John Wick's over here. No, ballerinas. Crazy. That was crazy. Nah, she's fast. Wild. it? No. And I like what they saying too, man. I'm the sugar and the caffeine. That's why y'all sipping on me. Like that because they're the conversation, topic of conversation for everything. That's dope. Oh, that's it? Fire. What else? After credit scene. Marvel. It's a dope ass mask. Yo. What's that? And that's how honestly how it should be. What's the name? When you're seeing a music video, what's the name? It should be entertaining. Because 90% of the time the song comes out before the music video anyway. So like a lot of people would hear the music video. And this is something that a lot of music videos don't do. Some music videos don't even make sense. You get what I'm saying? But it should definitely be entertaining. And also like with the whole premise of the song, what's saying, I'm the sugar and the caffeine, I'm the tea. What's the name? That's why y'all sipping on me. Them fighting all the fucking, you know what I mean, all the shit talkers and shit like that. You get what I'm saying? So like it's dope as fuck. And also they made the music video so damn entertaining. It was like a little mini movie. It was fire. For 4 damn minutes they were snapping. You know what I mean? Fire. But I don't care about my opinion, I care about yours. Definitely let me know what y'all thought of this video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit that subscribe button, notification bell, smash that like button, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X, and let me know what you want to see next, man. If y'all want to see more VVS, definitely let me know what song y'all want me to check out. Comment down below, spam it, all that good stuff, all right? So definitely let me know. Love y'all. See you in the next one. Peace and love like always.